Hi everyone, I am Adriana. I am from the McAllen Public Library, Palmview Branch, Teen Department. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious birthday cake in a mug with things we already have in our pantry. Let's get started.
Before we start, don't forget to wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and warm water. These are all the ingredients you will need for this recipe. You will need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of colorful sprinkles. These are the things you will need: a whisk or a fork and a mug. Mix all your dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, sugar, and baking powder. Whisk them until well combined. Then you are gonna add all your wet ingredients like milk, oil, vanilla extract, and 1 large egg. Whisk them until well combined. Then you're gonna add your colorful sprinkles. Mix them until they're all evenly spread. You are going to place your mug with the batter inside the microwave for 1 minute. Now it's time to decorate. How are you gonna decorate it? Mine, I'm gonna put whipped cream on top and some sprinkles.
This is how mine came out. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.
Thank you for joining our DIY video. Be sure to share your examples by tagging us at #ConnectedWithMPL and MPL team. Until then, bye-bye.